Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate learning management with Moodle easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Moodle account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your courses. Select the course you wish to automate. Click on the Course Administration section in the left sidebar. Choose Edit Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Course Format section. Select the format that best suits your content delivery. For automation, consider using weekly format or topic format. Next, enable completion tracking by scrolling to the section. Now, add activities like quizzes, assignments, or forums to your course. Click on Add an activity or resource to choose from available options. Configure each activity to include completion criteria. For quizzes, set passing grades to ensure students are evaluated appropriately. For assignments, require submission for them to be marked as complete. Once setup is complete, return to the course main page. On the course page, you can organize the activities in a logical order. Next, enable badges to incentivize learning. Go to Course Administration and select Badges. Create new badges and set the. Consider adding a badge for course completion or for completing each module. Now, automate user enrollments if needed. Go to Users in the Course Administration menu. Choose Enrollment Methods to add automated enrollment options. Select Self-Enrollment, Guest Access, or other applicable methods. Configure the settings based on your course's requirements. Next, utilize Moodle's messaging system for automated communication. Go to Site Administration and select Messaging. Set up notifications for course completion or new forum posts. This ensures students remain engaged with course updates. Finally, test the entire automated process. Create a test student account to experience the flow as if you were a learner. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.